product.
Doctor, give me the news. I got a bad case of loving you.
And Dr Ross Walker is taking your calls, 9690 693. Ross, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Dennis.
Now, I've been doing commercials here on the station for Arborvitae, and we're getting some incredible reaction to the product.
Yeah, it's really interesting. It's a very strong natural anti-inflammatory, so it has no real side effects. And I've got to say, I have no association with the company, so I'm happy to talk about it. And what it does, it has a thing called pycnogenol. Now, pycnogenol comes from pine bark extracts. And pycnogenol's been shown scientifically to be a very strong anti-inflammatory, antioxidant as well. And there are many people who've had arthritis who've had great benefits from this. People have had things like polymyalgia rheumatica getting benefits as well. It's quite extraordinary.
And people with high cholesterol, they're having it reduced?
Yeah, some people getting some reductions in cholesterol as well. So it has an across-the-board effect. Because of all the different actions that I've mentioned. And
comes largely from nature, from what you're telling me.
Oh, yeah, it's pine bark extract, so just from pine bark, it's pretty good. And I think, see, this is the problem. We now have about 7% of Australians who suffer some form of chronic pain, and many people have to go to the stronger painkillers, and we all know the side effects of things like non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Well, I've got to say, recently, a study's just come out on Celebrex, which was a bit like the Vioxx. Remember that drug that was withdrawn in 2004?
Yeah.
It was an anti-inflammatory, but it caused more heart attacks. Well, Celebrex is a very similar drug, so that fell out of favour but was not taken off the market. But in the last year or so, there's been a number of studies showing that Celebrex is quite a good anti-inflammatory, but it still is a drug with side effects, not as many as things like Brufen or Naproxen. But now we have something that works pretty much, no, I'm not saying as well as a drug, but it's pretty close to that and gives a lot of great effects.
And if anyone has been taking Arborvitae and having fantastic results, give us a call, 9690 693. Dr Ross with us for Victorian Hearing, for Independent Hearing Solutions.